know? This is so fun. You always think like liquid nitrogen is like the most complicated thing you'd ever use, but actually it just freezes it really fast.
Giovanna's complex dessert has 6 further elements to it, including rhubarb and elderflower jelly and a rose and amasi ice cream.
I'm just quite worried about getting all the elements done in time. There's loads to do. It all has to set, it all has to be like churned and all that sort of stuff, so I'm just trying to get it done as quickly as possible.
Six springbok now, then we're going on another 6 springbok after that.
Yes, chef.
Springbok up, where is it? Next lot of springbok, I want them cooked a little bit more, please.
Yes, chef.
While Alison gets her next springbok cooking, Giovanna begins meticulously pre-plating the dessert.
There's loads to go on the plate, so that's why we're starting now, to get it all like prepped before we can put all the sort of like perishable stuff on it. It just takes a long time. Obviously these guys are really used to it. They're really fast. But if I rushed it, I'd make a mess.
How's that? You see, that's much better.
Yeah?
You got it slightly more cooked on the outside. That's how I like my springbok.
Thank you.
Okay, let's move. When it's hot food, we need to move quickly.
Yes, chef.
Sauce, bechamel, oil.
Yeah.
To recreate Luke's dish, the jus and bechamel must be dressed artistically on the plate.
Ah.
So we're going to replate.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, let's go. Beautiful. Looks like a proper Jackson Pollock there.
Ah.
Got a good touch.
That was great.
Yeah.
They're major disasters, thank God.
Alison has cooked pan-seared springbok, served with springbok liver stuffing, braised and deep-fried cabbage, almond bechamel sauce, red cabbage jus, and a pine needle oil.
That springbok's cooked beautifully, lovely and soft. Love all the different ways of the red cabbage. Lots of work in this.
Alison has nailed this, and this is beautifully presented, but she'd have learned some new tricks today as well.
Desserts, desserts, desserts.
To finish plating, Giovanna must perfectly quenelle the rose and amasi ice cream for each dish.
I'm really bad at this.
Get it smoothed off, get your spoon hot.
Nah.
I think this one needs replating, eh?
Yeah.
Try and make it a little bit plumper.
Yeah.
Okay.
The last element is the Sauvignon Blanc snow.
Yeah, let's put a little bit more in each.
Yeah, okay. Service.
You've done an absolutely great job, Giovanna.
Thank you so much.
Good
Thank
job,
you so
mate.
much for
Well
having
done.
us. Thank
Cheers,
you.
eh? Cheers.
Ha ha ha! It's Willy Wonka.
Giovanna has made rhubarb and elderflower jelly, served with strawberry, rose and amasi ice cream, coconut meringue, rhubarb and burnt butter puree, and Sauvignon Blanc snow.
Giovanna has had to manufacture about 9 different elements. And it's a flavour sensation.
Technically, really, really challenging. The ice cream is as smooth as you like. The jelly is soft, but just dissolves in your mouth. Snows, freeze-drying fruit. It's fantastic.